In today's video, I'm going to show you how to minify CSS and JavaScript files in WordPress step by step using a free and beginner-friendly plugin. Minifying your CSS and JavaScript is one of the easiest ways to improve your website speed, reduce page load time, and boost your SEO and user experience without touching any code. This method works for blogs, business websites, and even WooCommerce stores. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website optimization tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your website, install plugins, and configure settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Plugins, then click on Add New. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory, where you can search and install new plugins directly. In the plugin search bar at the top right, type in Autoptimize. Autoptimize is a very popular and trusted WordPress optimization plugin that allows you to minify and combine CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files with just a few clicks. When you see Autoptimize appear in the search results, click on Install Now. Wait a few seconds for WordPress to download and install the plugin, and once it's finished, click on Activate. After activating the plugin, Autoptimize will automatically add a new settings page. To access it, go to the left menu, hover over Settings, and then click on Auto-Optimize. This is where all the optimization magic happens. On the Auto-Optimize settings page, you'll see three main checkboxes right at the top. These are Optimize JavaScript code, Optimize CSS code, and Optimize HTML code. Go ahead and check all three of these boxes. Enabling these options tells WordPress to minify your CSS and JavaScript files by removing unnecessary spaces, comments, and characters, which helps your website load faster. For most beginners, these default settings are more than enough. You don't need to change any advanced options unless you know exactly what you're doing. Auto-Optimize is designed to work safely with most themes and plugins, so you can confidently use it on your site. Once you've checked the three optimization boxes, scroll down and click on Save Settings and Clear Cache. This step is very important because it applies the changes and clears any old cached files. After saving, your CSS and JavaScript files are now minified and optimized automatically across your entire WordPress site. At this point, you've successfully learned how to minify CSS and JavaScript files in WordPress using Auto-Optimize. Your site should now load faster, perform better on speed tests, and provide a smoother experience for visitors. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.